Picking the wrong 3D printer doesn't just waste money. It wastes months of frustration on a machine that was never right for you. I researched the market and found the 8 best from $200 to $2,000. Beginners, speed chasers, engineering material users, reliability first buyers. Every type is covered. Links in the description. Let's get into it. Tier 1. Budget 3D printers. $150 to $300. Product number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE for $219. The Ender 3v3 SE is where most 3D printing journeys begin. Key specs: 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume, 250 mm per second max speed, CR Touch auto leveling, Sprite direct extruder, dual Z-axis, open frame fused deposition modeling. CR Touch automates bed leveling, the step that breaks most first-timers. Direct extruder handles flexible filaments, Bowden setups jam. Dual Z-axis keeps the gantry square through long prints. Here's what they don't tell you. Assembly takes a few hours. Quality needs calibration. Top speed requires tuning. Best for beginners wanting proven hardware with the largest support community in 3D printing. Not for buyers expecting a ready-to-print machine. More makers start here than anywhere else. The community is the real value. Product number 2. Bambu Lab A1 for $299.99. The A1 is built for automation, so you spend time printing, not calibrating. Key specs: 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume, 10,000 mm per second square acceleration, full auto calibration, active flow rate compensation, under 48 decibels, multicolor capable with automatic material system light, open frame bedslinger. Auto calibration delivers first layer quality without touching a setting. Flow rate compensation adjusts extrusion in real time. Accuracy holds across the build. Quieter than most at this price. The reality check: bedslinger caps acceleration. Multicolor needs a separate automatic material system light. Open frame limits filament types. Best for beginners wanting the fastest path from unboxing to quality prints. Not for engineering filament users or those wanting multicolor included. Easiest printer in this lineup to get right from day one. Tier 2. Mid-range 3D printers. $350 to $650. Product number 3. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon for $359.99. The Centauri Carbon opens Tier 2 and changes the speed conversation immediately. Key specs: 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume, CoreXY, 500 mm per second max speed, 20,000 mm per second square acceleration, 320 degrees Celsius nozzle, built-in camera, full auto calibration, fully assembled, single color. CoreXY moves the toolhead independently from the bed. Cleaner output at speed than any bedslinger in Tier 1. Tom's Hardware named it their fastest affordable pick. Fully assembled, unboxing to printing in under an hour. Here's the catch: single color only, no multi-material path, no enclosed chamber. 500 mm per second requires quality filament. Best for speed-focused hobbyists wanting the best prints per dollar in this lineup. Not for multicolor projects or engineering filaments requiring enclosure. The fastest machine here per dollar, and the output proves it. Product number 4. Creality K2 Combo for $649. The K2 Combo does what no other printer here manages. Multicolor in an enclosed chamber included. Key specs: 260 by 260 by 260 millimeters build volume, enclosed, 600 millimeters per second max speed, multicolor Creality filament system, chamber AI camera, hardened steel gears, step servo motors on XY, full auto leveling, RFID filament detection. The Creality filament system multicolor system scales to 16 colors with additional units. Step servo motors deliver accuracy standard steppers can't match. Enclosed chamber opens filament options without extra purchases. The downsides. Creality filament system changes add print time on multicolor jobs. Extruder trails Bambu's refinement. Large desk footprint. Best for hobbyists wanting multicolor without upgrading again. Not for budget buyers printing single color without needing enclosure. Multicolor and enclosed at this price. Nothing else delivers both. Quick pause. If this helped you avoid a bad purchase, hit like and drop your budget below. I reply to every one. Tier 3. Premium 3D printers. $650 to $1,100. Product number 5. QIDI Plus 4 for $699. The QIDI Plus 4 opens Tier 3 with what Tier 2 can't match: active chamber heating and engineering filament support. Key specs: 305 by 305 by 280 millimeters build volume, enclosed, 600 millimeters per second max speed, 65 degrees Celsius active chamber, 370 degrees Celsius direct extruder, polyphenylene sulfide carbon fiber support, dual Z-axis, 6 millimeters aluminum bed, QIDI box multicolor expansion. A 65 degrees Celsius heated chamber keeps acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, acrylonitrile styrene acrylate, and polyphenylene sulfide carbon fiber printing without warping. The 370 degrees Celsius extruder handles materials most machines won't attempt. Largest build volume in the lineup. What you need to know. Engineering filaments need matched profiles. Multicolor needs the separate QIDI box. Community is thinner than Creality or Bambu. Best for users needing a heated chamber for acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, acrylonitrile styrene acrylate, or engineering materials. Not for polylactic acid beginners or buyers wanting multicolor included. Outgrown basic materials? The Plus 4 is where to go. Product number 6. Creality K2 Pro Combo for $1,049. The K2 Pro takes the K2 Combo's foundation and adds the active chamber heating serious printing demands. Key specs: 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters build volume, enclosed, 600 millimeters per second max speed, 60 degrees Celsius active chamber heating, multicolor Creality filament system, dual AI cameras, field-oriented control step servo motors, hardened steel nozzle, full auto leveling. Chamber heating at 60 degrees Celsius opens acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, acrylonitrile styrene acrylate, and polycarbonate without warping. Field-oriented control step servo motors run smoother than standard steppers. Dual AI cameras handle chamber monitoring and failure detection simultaneously. The trade-offs: 300 millimeters cube is large, but not the widest available. Single Creality filament system included. Additional units needed for 16 colors. Heavy footprint. Best for makers who want Creality's proven multicolor system with chamber heating. Not for projects needing more than 300 millimeters. Chamber heating separates serious enclosed printing from everything below it. Tier 4. Luxury 3D printers. $1,200 to $2,000. Product number 7. Original Prusa Core 1 Kit for $1,299. The Prusa Core 1 Kit is the most trusted name in open-source 3D printing and their most capable machine. Key specs: 250 by 220 by 270 mm build volume, CoreXY, 500 mm per second max speed, enclosed, 55 degrees Celsius active chamber heating, 290 degrees Celsius nozzle, polylactic acid, polyethylene terephthalate glycol, acrylonitrile styrene acrylate, polycarbonate, nylon support, all steel exoskeleton frame, kit assembly. Active chamber heating at 55 degrees Celsius handles acrylonitrile styrene acrylate, polycarbonate, and nylon without warping. The all-steel exoskeleton eliminates frame flex for consistent accuracy on long prints. Prusa's open-source ecosystem means profiles, upgrades, and support that outlast the hardware. Here's where it falls short. Assembly takes several hours. Build volume trails printers in lower tiers. Single color only. Best for experienced makers who value reliability and Prusa's open-source ecosystem. Not for buyers wanting a fully assembled or multicolor machine. Built to outlast every other printer in this lineup. Product number 8. Dremel DigiLab 3D45 for $1,999. The Dremel 3D45 is the most established enclosed printer here, trusted in professional and educational settings. Key specs: 170 by 254 by 152 mm build volume, fully enclosed, 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, 100 degrees Celsius heated glass bed, built-in carbon and particulate filtration, 5-inch touchscreen, single color. Built-in dual filtration, carbon and particulate, is unique here and matters for classrooms and offices. The 280 degrees Celsius nozzle handles nylon. Education-grade construction means years of low-maintenance use. The honest truth: 2018 design, speeds trail every modern machine here. Smallest build volume in the lineup. You're paying for safety certification, not capability. Best for schools and safety-conscious buyers needing a proven enclosed printer with filtration. Not for hobbyists prioritizing speed, volume, or value. 7 years of consistent performance. The most safety-focused printer in this lineup. Best value: Creality K2 Combo. Enclosed chamber, multicolor included, 600 mm per second. Nothing at this price matches the feature count. Best for beginners: Bambu Lab A1. Auto-calibration, real-time flow compensation, quiet operation. Fastest path from unboxing to quality. Best speed pick: ELEGOO Centauri Carbon. CoreXY, 500 mm per second. Tom's Hardware fastest affordable pick. Best prints per dollar. Best for reliability: Prusa Core 1 Kit. Open source ecosystem, steel exoskeleton, 55 degrees Celsius active chamber, built to outlast the competition. Skip this. Dremel 3D45. A 2018 design at nearly $2,000. The K2 Pro Combo costs half as much with a 300 mm cube, multicolor, and active chamber heating. No math favors the Dremel. My personal pick: Bambu Lab A1. Auto-calibration, quiet, multicolor capable. For hobbyists who want results, not a project. All 8 links are in the description organized by tier. If this saved you from the wrong printer, smash subscribe and drop a comment with which one you're getting. I reply to everyone. See you next time.